Hello, language learners. Welcome back to the IELTS Secrets podcast, where we uncover the strategies to excel in the speaking and writing sections of the IELTS exam. I'm your host, Neil, and today we're diving into the vibrant city of Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Let's explore how to describe your favorite city using the 4 key aspects. Number 1, what city it is and when you went there. Here is our template. Of all the places I've been previously traveled to, my favorite one is, and then which I visited and explain why. This template provides essential information about the city and your visit, setting the stage for your response and helping the examiner understand the context. Number 2, your favorite places there. Here's our template. When I was visiting the city, I was able to visit such places as, and then for example, next, it was such a great experience because. By using this template, you can show the specific attractions and landmarks that made your visit memorable, demonstrating your appreciation of the city's culture and highlights. Number 3, what you do when you are there. This template will allow you to describe your activities and experiences during your visit, providing insights into your engagement with the city and its offerings. It will help paint a vivid picture of your time spent in the city that you visit or visited in the past. Number 4, and explain why exactly it's your favorite place. What makes this place special is, and describe what makes this place special. Next, I personally find it fascinating because. Next, hopefully I'll be able to. This template will enable you to articulate the reasons behind your affection for the city that you visit or visited, allowing you to express your personal connection and its attraction. It will add depth to your description and enhances your overall response. Here is our Band 9 speaking response based on the same structure.
Describe your favorite city. You should say what city it is and when you went there. Your favorite places there. What you do when you are there. And explain why exactly it's your favorite place.
Of all the places I have previously traveled to, my favorite one is Tashkent, Uzbekistan. I first visited it in the summer of 2019. When I was visiting Tashkent, I was able to explore iconic landmarks such as the Amir Timur Square, Chorsu Bazaar, and the Kast Imam Complex. Additionally, I immersed myself in the rich cultural heritage by visiting museums like the State Museum of History of Uzbekistan. It was such a great experience because each of these places offered a unique glimpse into the history and traditions of Uzbekistan. While visiting, I decided to indulge in the local cuisine, sampling delicious dishes like plov, samsa, and lagman. I also enjoyed strolling through the beautiful parks and gardens, soaking in the serene atmosphere. What makes Tashkent special is its blend of ancient history and modernity, vibrant culture, and the warm hospitality of its people. I personally find it fascinating because of its intriguing architecture, colorful markets, and bustling streets. Hopefully, I will be able to revisit Tashkent soon and continue exploring its hidden gems.
And there you have it, language learners. You now have the tools to craft a compelling description of your favorite city for the IELTS speaking section. Remember to use these templates and infuse your response with personal anecdotes and insights. Don't forget to share your audio responses with us for personalized feedback and guidance from our experienced instructors. Until next time, happy exploring, and may your IELTS journey be filled with success.